everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Microsoft Word style group and editing group. Style group, it is the group of tools which you use in a text to editing the text, to give them the title, the headings and the subtitle. Those heading, title and subtitle, they help us in making the table of content of our document and organize our document. Today we are going to start by making the heading 1, heading 2 and the heading 3. The reason why we are going to put those headings, as I have told you, they just give us the title, the subtitle and the headings. Those headings, we use them in making the table of content. So today we are going to start with those. As normal, when you are making a text, it is in the normal headings. The word mean normal, that means there is no heading or subtitle, or they consider them as one heading or one document. So now, if you have a document like this, you choose to use this document. A document like this, you can use them. So when you want to use them, first you have to give them the title and the headings. For example, when you put the cursor here, I'm going to make heading 1. When I press to heading 1, all that paragraph will change the font of this paragraph. For example, if I select it, it will give them the paragraph, the chapter 1 for the paragraph 1. For the next one, if I press the cursor here, I can just keep and make the heading 2 or chapter 2. You see, the font of the text or the paragraph, it changes itself anytime you press to the heading or subtitle. So here we have many types of headings. Those type, if you press here, I put my, when you press to this arrow, you can find many types of headings. You can find many types of headings, the titles, the subtitles, and so many. So you choose for your text any of those as you wish, so you can use it in your document or in your text. So this is in briefly how the style group can be used in a document. So the next one you are going to see, it is editing. Editing group. In the editing group, we found three major tools. We found found, replace, and select. When you say found, it is just to find a word which is in our text. For example, if I press here, you can see. If I press here, you can see found, advanced found, and go to. So if I press advanced found, you can find. They give you a table to what anything you want to find. For example, if I want America, then I press find in the menu document. You see, everywhere in this document where there's a word America, it gets selected. This is how we can use the tools found in editing group. The next one, you have replace. Here there is a replace where we can use in editing group, because if you have the big document like a book or other thing more bigger than that, you can't look for anyone by yourself to find it and to replace it. But if you go to the editing group, you can use this found and replace. Here you can write here the word you want to find, and here you can write the word you want to replace the one you found by. For example, the word America, I want to replace it by the word Rwanda. If I type the word Rwanda here, Rwanda, and I press replace all. If I press here to replace all, they ask, do you want to continue from the beginning? If I press yes, all the place where I used to find the word America has been replaced by the word Rwanda, and you can see it is selected here. So the next one and the last one, it is the word select. In your document, sometimes you can select the whole document, you can select one word, or you can select image. So to do so, you have to come here to the select and you choose any one you want. Here it is select, or to me you can select the whole text, you can select the object, but also you can select just a simple word. Like if you want to select maybe January, you can select one word. So this is in shortly how we can use the group, style group and editing group in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment and like. Thank you.